Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. In this channel we are going to see about in engineering mathematics. Under engineering mathematics we are going to discuss the topic on differential equation. This is the very important topic in engineering mathematics, and before going into the video, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notification as and when we upload videos. We have posted many videos under electronics and communication engineering. Under ECE subject we have posted many videos regarding microprocessor, communication system, digital electronics and engineering mathematics all. If you haven't seen those videos still, kindly subscribe our channel and check with the playlist. Then coming to the video, differential equations. What is a differential equations first? Equations involved in differential coefficients are called differential equations. What are all the called differential equations? dy by dx, d squared y by dx squared, dou y by dou x. Differential equation of two types. What are all the types? Ordinary differential equations and partial differential equations. What is the difference between ordinary and partial differential equations? See, in dy by dx, this d by dx term is called as independent variable. This y is a dependent variable. This x is a independent variable where y is a dependent variable because this y is dependent on this derivative of x, d by dx. So, y is dependent on x where x is independent variable. So, similarly, depends upon the independent variable, we will classify the differential equation as ordinary and partial differential equation. We will see one by one. What is ordinary differential equation? The differential equation in which all the differential coefficient have reference to a single independent variable. What is that? Single independent variable. In ordinary differential equations, it depends reference to a single independent variable. So, what is that? For example, d squared y by dt squared. Here, only one independent variable because this y is dependent on this t alone. So, it is dependent on only one independent variable. So, what is the next example? Y equal to x dy by dx plus x divided by dy by dx. See, this y is dependent on this x alone. Here also this y is dependent on this x alone. So, this y is dependent on x alone in this equation. So, it is an ordinary differential equation. It is dependent on single independent variable. Then what is partial differential equation? The differential equation in which there are two or more independent variables and partial coefficients with respect to any of them. In differential equation, it is dependent on two or more independent variable. See, what is the example? Let's see the example. X dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to 2u. Here y is a dependent variable and x is a independent variable. Y is dependent on x as well. Here y is dependent on u is dependent on y as well. U is dependent on both x and y as well. So, it is dependent on two or more independent variable known as partial differential equation. Here see one more example, dou squared y by dou t squared equal to c square dou squared y by dou x square. See, this y is dependent on this t and x. In this equation, y is dependent on t and x. So, it is dependent on one or two or more independent variables. So, two or more independent variables, the differential equation in which there are two or more independent variable means it is known as partial differential equation. When it is dependent on single independent variable, this is called ordinary differential equation. Okay. We will move on to the next one. What is that? Order of differential equation. Then we will see what is the order and degree of the differential equations. This is very important. we'll see what is the order and degree of the differential equation. What is the order of the differential equation first? It is the order of the highest differential coefficient that occurs in the equation. Highest derivative is known as order. Highest derivative is known as order, whereas what is degree? Power of the highest differential coefficient provided the equation is free from fractional powers, which means that order is nothing but, for example, if any equation given us, what is the order? We have to look at the highest differential coefficient or highest derivative is known as order. What is the degree then? For the highest power of the highest differential coefficient only we need to look for the power, provided that the equation is free from fractional powers. If at all any fractional power is given, we need to eliminate that fractional power and we need to find out the order and degree of the differential equation. See, we will see one by one examples. These are all the examples I have written in another page. We will see in detail what is the order and we are going to find out the order and degree of the differential equation. For this we need to find out the order and degree. The equation is given d squared y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole square plus y equal to 0. What is the order and degree of the differential equation? What is the order first? Order is nothing but highest derivative. Highest derivative means which one is the highest derivative? Dy by dx, and d squared y by dx squared is the highest derivative. So what is the order? Order and degree. We'll write like this. What is the order for this? Order is highest derivative. So highest derivative is d squared y by dx squared. So so it is order is 2. Second derivative now. So order is 2. What is the degree? Degree we need to look at only for the highest derivative. Don't look at for the, only we need to look at for the highest derivative. So what is the highest derivative here? D squared y by dx squared. What is the power of this? Power is nothing but 1. So degree is 1. This is very, very important. So we need to look at the degree only for the highest derivative. So for next problem, what is that? 1 by dy by dx the whole squared equal to 7 d squared y by dx squared the whole squared. In this equation, which one is the highest derivative? We know d squared y by dx squared. So order is 2. Is the second derivative? No. So order is 2. Degree, highest power of the highest derivative. We no need to look at the rest of the derivatives. We need to look for the power of the highest derivative. Here highest derivative is d squared y by dx squared. What is the power? Is 2. So degree also 2 and order also 2. For this equation, x d squared y by dx squared y plus y dy by dx plus 4y squared equal to 1. See, what is the order here? Highest derivative. Highest derivative is d squared y by dx squared. So order is 2. Then what is the power of this highest derivative? Power is 1. So degree is 1. Order is 2. Degree is 1. Next move on to this equation. Sine of d cube y by dx cube equal to dy by dx plus x. See, what is the highest derivative here? Whenever sine function also given, this is the highest derivative is nothing but d cube y by dx cube is nothing but order is 3. Third derivative, no. Again we need to find out the degree. For degree we need to look for the power of the highest derivative is nothing but 1. So order 3, degree is 1. Then move on to the next example. What is that? Square root of dy by dx the whole square plus 3y equal to d squared y by dx square. So it is the square root. So square root, how can we represent power? In power 1 by 2. Whenever fractional power comes, we need to eliminate that fractional power into the whole power. Then only we need to find out the order and degree. So this is a power 1 by 2. Here d squared y by dx square. So how can we eliminate? Square on both sides. What we will get? Dy by dx the whole square plus 3y square on both sides, nothing but square by square. What we will get? 2 and 2 get cancelled, it is a power of 1. Then d squared y by dx squared the whole square. So now we have eliminated the fractional powers. Then we need to look for the order and degree. See, in this equation, what is the highest derivative? Highest derivative is 2 d squared y by dx squared. So order equal to 2. What is the degree? Degree is nothing but power of the highest derivative. What is the power? Power of the highest derivative is nothing but 2 also. Order and degree for this equation 2 and 2. Again we are going to solve some fractional powers. So what is that? 1 plus dy by dx the whole squared whole power 3 by 2 equal to d squared y by dx squared. How can we eliminate the fractional power? Square on both sides. So when we square on both sides, what we will get? Whole squared, here also whole square now. So this and this get cancelled. See, from this what we will get? 1 by dy by dx the whole squared power cube plus d squared y by dx squared the whole squared. So what is the order for this? Order is nothing but highest derivative. So order is 2. What is the power? Degree? Power of the highest derivative also 2 here. So order and degree is 2 for this problem. We will move on to the next problem. What is that? dy by dx the whole power 3 by 2 equal to d squared y by dx squared whole power 3 by 2. How can we eliminate these fractional powers? Square on both sides. When we square on both sides, what we will get? dy by dx square on both sides is nothing but the whole cube equal to, when we taking square, power of power we can multiply. So d squared y by dx squared whole power 4 by 3. Again, sorry, dx squared. Again we are getting the fractional power. We need to eliminate that. Then cube, taking the cube. So when we taking the cube, what we will get? dy by dx the whole power 9 equal to d squared y by dx squared. This and this get cancelled, power 4. So for this problem, what is the order and degree? Order is nothing but 2. Highest derivative is 2. So order equal to 2. What is the degree? Power of the highest derivative. What is the power of the highest derivative? Power 4. So order and degree is nothing but 2 and 4 for this problem. So this is the way to find out the order and degree. In this video we have seen what is the differential equation first, and what is the dependent and independent variable. Then what is the types of differential? Ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. What is the ordinary? It is dependent on single independent variable. Then it is partial derivative is dependent on 2 or more independent variables. Then we have seen order, how to find out the order and degree of the differential equations. So I will end up this video. If you please subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications as in when we upload videos. If you are not watching, if you haven't seen our previous videos, kindly check with the playlist. Thanks for watching.